In this morning he decided to walk on that mountains and try to fly from there, but bad luck. Now the storm is coming and he is stuck on the mountain. We hope he will manage the situation and will be able to walk down in safety condition. Oh, first pass he lost his telephone, and now I hope he don't lose his mind.
Jürgen told us that Team Romania needs a new cell phone because Toma lost his. So I brought him a new MTT, switched the SIM cards, and I think Team Romania will be good to go again. Your phone.
Thank you very much.
And for Coca.
Dă-mi Adidas și de asfalt.